What is up, guys? Welcome back to Mo's and Mullets. Out here on the lowrider, one of my favorite spots to ride is nice and curvy. This is where I go when I just want to have fun, rip some curves. That's what we're gonna do today, rip the curves. I don't know if the GoPro's gonna do it any justice, but pretty sharp curves and the road's pretty steep. So going up and down is completely different, so it's pretty fun. Two different experiences. And here we go. Scraping a little. There. This is what it's all about, guys. Having fun. Letting her eat. Send it in deep. Trying not to talk too much so you guys can just hear the exhaust. Enjoy the sound of my people. Yeah, that's just it's not very long, but it's a fun little piece of the road. This whole road is pretty fun to ride, and we ride on all the time, but this is definitely the curviest part. And we'll turn around and do it again, but I'll wait a second. So there's some space between that car and me, because I'll catch up to them in a hurry. Do 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 do. So we're heading in the opposite direction now, down the mountain. Direction I like better, going up the mountain or down. Both pretty fun. Oh yeah, like right there, a couple of sketchy parts of the road you have to be careful of. It's a shame that West Virginia doesn't take care of the roads very well. Like, this road is considered like one of the best roads. Everywhere else is just full of potholes, the roads falling apart. If they actually took care of the roads like they do in North Carolina, we would have a lot more motorcycle tourism, because the roads are curvy and fun, but nobody wants to come ride them because everybody knows the roads are terrible here. Like farther down this road, there's a spot where there's a lot of really sharp switchback curves, but the road is just absolutely terrible. There's potholes everywhere. There's spots where they tried to patch potholes and just made it worse. Now there's just big bumps everywhere. And yeah, you can't safely ride it fast and have fun. You have to go slow and make sure you don't destroy your bike on a pothole. So we'll wait a second here. Let this truck go past and go back up again. Really go back up one more time, then come back down. Then I'll end it there, since it's the same thing over and over, but still fun, no matter how many times I've been on this road. If you're new to the channel, I'm on my 2020 lowrider. Stock fronted suspension, bunking shock extension on the rear. Down the road some point, wouldn't mind getting a full suspension setup that is for like riding twisties, carving the canyons as they call it. So we'll go before this guy comes. Go slow right now till I get to the really curvy part. Just give them more time to come through. Right on, brother. Yee. Doing stuff like this just gets me in the mood to just ride. Get my knees into breeze. Get your motor running. Head out on the highway, looking for adventure. Whatever comes our way. Get ready to rip it! This end part's pretty fun because you can go a lot faster. They're not as sharp. So you can really let her eat there and still some fun curves. Once you get here, it's like my cool down section. So yeah, like I said, go back down one more time, then I'll end it there. Hopefully you guys are enjoying this. I know I am. Looks like got someone coming, so we'll go ahead and go. Now I'll go slow here again, give him some more time. The whole debate about Harleys being slow and you can't take turns fast. Ooh, see how good I am, no hands, going around curves. Yeah, as far as Harleys can't go around curves fast, they can go fast enough. So if you ever have anybody talking crap to you, there's plenty of videos of Harleys going down curvy roads fast. Not as fast as a sport bike, but most guys that have sport bikes I would talk crap probably can't ride that fast anyway. Anybody can ride fast in a straight line. Gonna get somebody in the comments saying I should be wearing full gear. And yeah, I know it should be. Usually when I'm doing stuff like wheelies or stuff like this where I'm really shredding the gnar, usually do at least wear a jacket, but I wasn't really planning on doing this today. I just rode to breakfast. It's my day off. So I rode and got some breakfast and then just decided to come have some fun. Lately, every time I have a day off, it seems like it rains all day. So I'm enjoying the riding while I can. Only have until about 2 o'clock, and then it's gonna start raining. It's noon right now, so. Time to eat! Yee! Gonna end it off, guys. Hope you liked the video. Like, comment, subscribe, all that. Tell your friends. Shred the gnar. Better read, send it in deep. See you on the next one. See ya.